Hi, welcome to Cafe de Lona's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my kimchi fried rice, I should say. And if you guys have any leftovers, plain rice, let's just make it kind of like a little bit of tasty. So here is our ingredients that I prepared here. First, our steamed rice, and then we have a chopped kimchi, and then we're going to use gochujang, and then I have 7 eggs here, chopped spring onions, diced onion. We're gonna use also chopped garlic, and then for the toppings, it's also like scallion onion, and then lastly, our olive oil. And let's start it. Okay, first we're going to break the eggs. And then while we're breaking our eggs, I'm going to turn on our stove to high heat.
Black window.
Alright. We're gonna add some salt to taste.
Mixing.
We're gonna add olive oil in our wok. I'm going to put our eggs now. So cooking the eggs makes it kind of a little bit more runny. So when we mix it in our rice, it's not like gonna turn dry. Okay. Did you see the way I did? It's still quite runny. Same wok. We're gonna add a little bit more olive oil. Turn all the way up our stove again. We're going to put our diced onion now. And then our chopped garlic. Let's just saute together until it gets light brown, the garlic. So now we're gonna add our plain rice. Mix it all together until it gets combined. Okay. So now we're gonna put back our eggs. Mix it again until it gets all combined. And then our kimchi. I'm gonna need another spoon. Okay, so now it's all. The next thing we're gonna add is our gochujang, and then the salt. All right. Okay, we're gonna add gochujang now, and then mix it again. I could smell it. It smells really nice. Okay, so now we're gonna add some salt. And last is our spring onions. Let's just put it all together. Okay. Okay. Very easy to make. So, in a second, I'm going to turn off our stove now because it's ready to serve. Okay. So here is my kimchi fried rice. It's very tasty and easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.